I'm in one of the most picturesque parts of the Isle of Man, Conrhenny plantation. It's also a factory for the local sawmill, and behind me are 3,500 newly planted trees. Now, Douglas Chalk, you're with DEFA. Tell us what's happening here today.
Yes, today we've got the children coming from various schools on the island, primary schools, and this is part of a project which was begun 7 years ago. And the idea is for the children to come along and to get involved with planting deciduous trees, native to the Isle of Man, deciduous trees, in order to create a new woodland. And so we're hoping to call this the Children's Wood, so that the children can participate in creating the wood, and then in years to come they can come back to it and enjoy it as it's maturing. So the idea is for the children to come along and to plant over several days 500 trees per year, and we've now reached 3,500 trees. So we've been doing this 6 to 7 years, and they're due to come along in a few minutes. This afternoon we've got Braddon School and Fairfield School. This morning we had Moran and St John's, and tomorrow we've got a few more schools just to fill out the numbers. So so we're looking forward to that. I think the children really enjoy it.
It's for the area. The fact that you've already got 3,500 trees here, it just doesn't seem like there's enough space.
Yes, well, when we first sort of decided to use this area, we thought we'd be lucky to get 5 years worth of planting, so that'd be 2,500 trees. Well, as it's turned out, we've managed to get more than that, and we've probably got room for at least another 2 years, possibly another 3 years planting. So possibly another 1,000, maybe 1,500 trees to go in on this side.
And can you tell me a little bit about how the plantations work? I mean, I said earlier, it's a factory for the sawmill. It's an ongoing.
Yes, I mean this woodland which the children are developing. This is an amenity woodland. So the trees here aren't going to be used for timber for the sawmill. But if you have a look around, you can see we've got various softwood species, pines and spruces. Now these are grown up on a rotation basis and then felled, and the timber is then taken to the sawmill where it's processed and used for timber products.